Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you all about this awesome neck gaiter for little ones. So, as you can see here, it is this really nice black color. It looks very classic. It fits really well on my 2-year-old son, but I love it because it will definitely grow with him. It has a lot of room to grow. It is by the brand LUPA, and it is like a felt fabric material, and it did a really nice job at keeping my son's neck nice and warm and helping to prevent him from getting super cold outside. So we were really happy with this. My son tolerated it well as also, which is super good. I like how it is really well made. It is all double stitched in here, and it is made out of 100% polyester, so it's easy to clean and easy to maintain. So if you are checking these out, I definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.